I'm creating a faux earthenware look using chalk paste. Redesign with Prima have great brushes in their tool range. I've started with a jug. I already experimented a little bit and we're aiming for subtle texture. Load up your brush. I have a different brush per colour. Dab all over in a totally random fashion, mixing the colours and blending as you go. Carry on until you've completed the whole piece. Then leave to dry. Here's our first layer all dry. I decided to add some iron gate for extra depth. So on this second layer, we're adding the iron gate in addition to our first two colours. I'm using these colours on the second layer to add depth and then fill in any gaps that we may have missed on the first go round. Follow exactly the same method as before. Continue to blend as you go. Keep going until you have full coverage for the second layer. Leave this to dry. Now it's dry, I'm going to use a high grit sanding pad to smooth our finish and reveal some of those layers. Can you see the extra patterns that we're creating? Use a dry brush to brush off any sanding dust. I've chosen to seal with wax. It'll give a buttery soft finish. Apply with a brush or a rag, whichever you prefer. And then wipe back and buff with a lint-free cloth. Nice and smooth, and it looks like it's been around for years. I really hope you enjoyed this project today. Thanks for watching.